Hello, this is Jeff with Truck-n-Trailer, your medium-duty box truck capital. Today we're looking at a 2022 Ford E350. Under the hood it has a 7.3 liter V8 gas engine. Only 55,000 miles on the clock. And this truck is still covered under the Ford factory warranty. On the business end is a 15-foot aluminum Rockport cargo box. It is equipped with E-track, tie rings, LED lighting, and an aluminum loading ramp. If you need anything else like a liftgate, belly boxes, or other equipment, let us know and we can take care of all your needs. This cab interior has been very well kept and is equipped with all the amenities that you have come to expect. Keep in mind that we do offer competitive commercial financing. Interest rates are based on your credits, and amount down varies from 0 to 100% depending upon your score. Nationwide warranties are also available. How about a 3-year unlimited mile engine, transmission, and rear end warranty? We have it right here. We are located in Oklahoma City at 2417 East I-240 Service Road. We have box truck sales, cargo van sales, and work body sales. A large service department and monthly secure truck parking. Give us a call if we can help you.